Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Java being forcibly closed by a remote host application error you might be getting while you're playing a game or you're using an application in Windows. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. You want to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best match to come back with Control Panel here. Go ahead and left click on that. Set your view by to large icons, and then select Java. Underneath adjust your computer settings, you want to find the Java selection. Then just left click on it one time. Now you're in here, you want to go ahead and select the Advanced tab near the top. And now you're on this page here, you want to scroll down to underneath Advanced Security Settings. So scroll all the way to the bottom here. So there should be something that says enable the operating system's restricted environment native sandbox. You want to go ahead and just make sure that's checkmarked in there. So again, right here, make sure that is checkmarked. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and just select apply and OK to save the change. And then I would suggest restarting your computer and then attempt to launch the application again, and hopefully that's resolved your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.